Hey guys, welcome to the last lecture of this chapter, Introduction to Micro and Macroeconomics. Today we are going to discuss distinction between micro and macroeconomics. Very short and simple lecture. Microeconomics and macroeconomics. Let us go point wise. First point, meaning. Microeconomics studies the behavior of individual unit of an economy. It is about small, it's on the small level, so it is about individual units. Whereas that side, macroeconomics studies the behavior of aggregates of the economy as a whole. That means under macroeconomics we are studying economy on a wider level, on the bigger level. So it is about the aggregates, that means total. We are studying the total economy as a whole, which is macroeconomics. Now again, coming back to micro, second point, tools. Individual demand and individual supply are the main tools under microeconomics. Whereas that side, aggregate demand and aggregate supply are the main tools under macroeconomics. Since it is bigger one, so there it is aggregate. Aggregate means total, aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Third point of distinction, scope. Demand, supply, product pricing, factor pricing, production, consumption, economic welfare, all these things fall under microeconomics. So microeconomics studies about all these things: demand, supply, product pricing, factor pricing, production, consumption, etc. This is the scope of microeconomics. Now let us move to the macro. In macroeconomics, we study about national income, general price level, employment, money, etc. That means under macro, we study anything on the national level, on the country's level, on the big level, on the nationwide. Let us move on to the next point. Point number 4, theory. Microeconomics is mainly a price theory because there we discuss mainly about the pricing, factor pricing, product pricing, etc. Whereas macroeconomics studies mainly about the national income, employment, etc. Hence, it is mainly income and employment theory. So, when we talk about theory, micro is price theory, macro is income and employment theory. Moving on to the next point, importance. Price determination, model building, business decisions. This is the importance of microeconomics. Whereas for macroeconomics, the importance is about study of national income, economic development, then economic fluctuations taking place in the country, etc. And the last point, but very important, examples. Under microeconomics, examples are individual income, individual output, even you may write individual supply. See, whatever on the individual level, on the small level about a particular thing, it is microeconomics. Whereas that side, on the macro side, national income, national output, then economic development, of course about a country, so all that falls under macroeconomics. So that's it. This was the distinction, and with this we have already finished with the first chapter, introduction of micro and macroeconomics. Totally we have done 8 lectures of this chapter. Today's was the 8th and the last lecture of this chapter. So that's it for today. Please do refer to my second chapter, utility analysis, also, which is already there. So do watch utility analysis, law of DMU, which is very important. I hope it helps. If you understood it, then do like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.